Welcome to Admissions and 15 Adventures.
Charlie's Chocolate Factory. Wine bottle, baking set, that's so fun. The wine set, champagne bottle, pizza slice, that's the vegetable, corn, pineapple, teapot, that's too funny. This place is so cool, it's ultra handmade, obviously chocolate. If you're ever in Burnaby, in the border of Vancouver and Burnaby on Boundary and Canada Way, this is where Charlie's Chocolate Factory is. It's absolutely excellent. Highly recommended to come here and buy chocolate. Whoopee! And it's not just chocolate. You can buy candies, you can buy baking supplies. For anyone who's ever done any baking or chocolate work. And tell them that the finest chocolate they say you could buy. Different flavors. Different molds, look at all the molds, at least about 50. I see a horseshoe, dinosaurs, with a little pig, that's funny, turtle, different shapes. Letters. She never wants to be in the film, but she likes walking into it. Not the Jelly Belly factory. So they're taking gummies, and she's inspecting each piece. That's really cool. And as it goes down the conveyor belt, it's getting coated in a milk chocolate. That is really cool. Peanut brittle, chocolate covered raisin, cherry. Good place. And that is Charlie. I wish I could see the end of it. Over on the far end. It's really cool. It's unfortunate I won't have can't get a view of it. Candy cable, man, oh man. Apparently we're getting sour berries. Organic sour berries. So funny. I guess you eat the pieces of the chess pieces when you take them off the board. Chocolate business cards. So this video is just a shout out to Charlie's Chocolate Factory in Burnaby. This is a family run company. It's a fantastic place. If you have a chance to go support them, please do so. By all means, you will not be disappointed. The chocolate is excellent. Just my opinion. I'm not doing this. I'm not getting anything out of this. I just want to say thank you to them. They have been around for at least 50 years, and they do a fantastic job. And the chocolate's excellent. So please, again, have a chance to visit the store. Please do so. You will not be disappointed. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Thank you for always subscribing and liking any of my videos. It's always greatly appreciated. All the best, guys.